Octopuses are some of the strangest animals in the ocean, and that is exactly why people love learning about them. At first glance, they almost seem unreal. They have a soft body, no bones, 8 arms, and a way of moving that makes them look like something from another planet. An octopus is a sea animal that lives in the ocean. It is not a fish, it is not a mammal. It belongs to a group of animals called cephalopods, which also includes squid and cuttlefish. One of the first things people notice about octopuses is their body. They do not have bones, so their bodies stay soft and flexible. That means they can squeeze into tiny holes and cracks that most animals would never fit through. If there's a gap big enough for their beak, there's a good chance an octopus can get through it too. Octopuses have 8 arms, and each arm is very useful. They use those arms to crawl, grab food, explore, and hold onto things. The arms are lined with suckers, which help them grip objects and prey. Those suckers are not just for holding on. They also help the octopus feel what is around it. Their movement is unusual as well. They can crawl across the ocean floor, and they can also swim by pushing water out of their body. But swimming takes more effort. So many octopuses spend more time crawling than swimming. That is one reason they often seem slow and careful when they move. Now, let's talk about the part that surprises most people. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of those hearts send blood to the gills, and 1 sends blood to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses a copper-based protein called hemocyanin instead of the iron-based hemoglobin that humans have. That may sound strange, but it helps them survive underwater. Octopuses live in all kinds of ocean environments, including shallow waters and deep, dark places with little oxygen. Their unusual blood and heart system help them cope with that life. Another thing that makes octopuses famous is camouflage. They can change color very quickly to blend in with rocks, sand, coral, or seaweed. Some species can also change the texture of their skin, which helps them look even more like the environment around them. This is one of the reasons octopuses are so hard to spot. Octopuses do not just hide from danger, they also use camouflage to catch food. A good octopus can stay still, blend into its surroundings, and wait for the right moment to strike. They feed on crabs, shrimp, lobsters, and other small sea animals. And then there is their intelligence. Octopuses are considered some of the smartest invertebrates on Earth. They can learn, solve problems, remember places, and even use tools in some cases. They are known for opening jars, escaping tanks, and figuring out puzzles in ways that surprise scientists. They also behave like careful hunters. Many octopuses live alone in dens made from rocks or hidden spaces on the seafloor. They are solitary animals, and they like having a safe place to rest and hide. Some even move rocks around to make a better entrance or build a little door for protection. If an octopus feels threatened, it has a few tricks. It can release ink into the water to confuse a predator. It can change color. It can squeeze into a crack. It can jet away fast. It has a lot of ways to escape, which is part of why it has survived so well in the ocean. Octopuses also come in many shapes and sizes. Some are very small, while others are huge. Different species live in different parts of the ocean, from shallow coastal waters to deep sea environments. Even though they are amazing, octopuses do not live very long. Many species only live for a short time, sometimes just 1 or 2 years. So the time they have is